The best cleaning caddies to keep cleaning supplies handy. Cleaning caddies help you organize your space and make it easy to search for items. We have created a list of the best cleaning caddies to help you find the right one. They help you hold large items like bleaches, disinfectants, and detergents, and come with sturdy, ergonomic handles. Caddies have various sections of different sizes, and some have a grid-like base design to prevent water from seeping in and accumulating at the bottom. So, explore our list to find the one that suits your needs. Number 1. Best with durable plastic. Casabella Cleaning Handle Bucket. This cleaning supplies caddy from Casabella is suitable for storing everyday cleaning supplies, liquid cleaners, baking soda, glass spray bottles, gel cleaners, and other household items. It is available in a combination of orange and gray, and is made of durable plastic. This cleaning supply caddy measures 15.2 by 9.2 by 5.2 inches, and is rectangular. The built-in handle allows you to carry it anywhere with ultimate ease. It is perfectly sized and can be used in the kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, vanity, or any other place. What we like: portable size, large capacity, translucent see-through design, available in 2 styles and 3 color options. What we don't like: does not have dividers for segregating items. Number 2. Best easy to carry. Akro-Mils 09185 Tool Caddy. The cleaning caddy with a handle from Akro-Mils comes in blue. It has 2 compartments for storing everyday cleaning essentials, powder cleaners, and other items. It measures 18.3 by 13.8 by 8.8 inches. And is large enough for storing paper towels, ponged, and spray bottles. You can also use it as a portable and lightweight first aid kit. The large and comfortable handle makes it easy to carry, and each compartment in this cleaning caddy is 16 inches long and has a rugged design. You can also use it to store tools in your workshop. What we like: has a storage capacity of 2,200 coins, suitable for storing small gardening tools. Has space for storing absorbent pieces of cloth, available in 2 colors. What we don't like: may be slightly bulky, may not be easy to store. Number 3. Best with removable basket. YouCopia Rollout Caddy. The cleaning caddy with a handle from YouCopia can be used to store liquid cleansers, homemade cleaning supplies, and gel cleaners, and is ideal for daily and weekly cleaning. The dividers in the caddy can be adjusted according to your requirement, and it has wheels installed to protect the cabinet floors. This cleaning caddy on wheels can hold up to 40 pounds of weight. The housekeeping caddy is versatile and customizable, and requires no tools for installation. What we like: durable and easy to clean, can be used as under sink caddy, does not contain any BPA, has a removable basket. What we don't like: storage space may not be large enough, wheels may take up inner space. Number 4. Best easy to handle. FifthStart Wearable Cleaning Caddy. Compact and available in beige. This wearable caddy can be used for storing cleaning supplies and tools. It is fully adjustable and has flexible straps, so that you do not have to search for your everyday cleaning supplies. The caddy has 5 removable dividers and 4 outer pockets. 6 clips have also been attached to the caddy for extra convenience. You can store multiple items such as glass bottles, tools, phones, keys, and wallets. There is also a mesh bag that allows good airflow. The caddy measures 11.4 by 10 by 6 inches, and the alligator clips in it allow you to hold various items. What we like: made of 210D ripstop waterproof lining, thick 1.5mm PP board backing for the non-collapsing build, made of 900D outer fabric for easy cleaning, can be worn on the neck. What we don't like: clips may not be durable enough, material may be prone to stains. Number 5. Best with convenient handle. Simplify Multipurpose Caddy. The Simplify Surface Mountable Plastic Cleaning Caddy measures 12.2 by 9.2 by 7.5 inches, and has 3 compartments that can be used to store hand towels, washcloths, bottles, soaps, and other cleaning essentials. It also features a convenient handle, so that you can carry it anywhere you want. This sink tool storage caddy can be used to store cheap cleaning supplies too. You can use it to carry items on a trip or a vacation, or use it to store large-sized shampoo bottles in your bathroom. What we like: white color blends into any space. Grid design helps drain water. Can be stored in cabinets. Made to be freestanding. What we don't like: may not be sturdy enough. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily. so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products as it will make your life much easier.